Ever wonder why a Toyota in Tokyo can hit 600,000 miles, while the exact same car in the US is headed for the scrap heap at 200,000? It's not the steel and it's not some magic Japanese oil. It's a series of brutal mechanical disciplines that American quick lube shops completely ignore. If you want your engine to outlast your car payment by a decade, write secret number 1 on your dashboard and never forget it. But to get there, we have to start with the foundation of the Toyota production system. Secret 13: Kaizen drain. In the world of high-level Japanese engineering, there is a concept called muda, which means waste. When you do a standard oil change, you aren't just wasting money if you do it wrong, you're leaving behind muda in the form of sludge and suspended solids. Most people pull into a bay and drain their oil whenever it's convenient. If that engine is cold, you've already failed. Cold oil is viscous, it's thick, stubborn, and holds onto heavy contaminants like soot and microscopic metal shavings. These particles settle into the low-flow pockets of your oil pan like silt at the bottom of a lake. If you drain cold, that silt stays. You pour in 5 quarts of gold, and it's instantly contaminated by the black sludge left behind. The Kaizen drain requires the engine to be at full operating temperature. Drive it for 15 minutes. Get that oil thin and turbulent so the contaminants stay suspended in the fluid. When you pull that plug, you want the heat to carry the filth out of the engine, not leave it stuck to the walls. Secret 12: Shizuka Wait. Shizuka translates to quietness or stillness, and in maintenance, it's where patience becomes a mechanical advantage. Go to any 10-minute oil change shop and you'll see the tech pull the plug, wait for the heavy stream to turn into a drip, and immediately slam the plug back in. They're chasing a clock, you're chasing 500,000 miles. Oil doesn't just sit in the pan. It's clinging to the camshafts, sitting in the variable valve timing VVT solenoids, and slowly trickling down from the cylinder head. The last 5% of oil that drains out is statistically the most dangerous. It contains the highest concentration of acid and moisture. By waiting 15 to 20 minutes, the Shizuka Wait, you allow gravity to reclaim that toxic residue. If you rush this, you're essentially diluting your brand new additives before you even start the car. Secret 11: Zansai Purge. No matter how long you wait, an engine is a labyrinth of galleries and pockets. This is the Zansai Purge, acknowledging what remains. You will never get 100% of the old oil out, but Japanese masters focus on reducing the Zansai residue to the absolute minimum. Think of it like this: if you have a glass of dirty water and pour in clean water, the whole glass is still dirty. The goal of the purge is to use physics to your advantage. This means ensuring the car is level or even slightly tilted toward the drain plug. It means checking your drain plug magnet for glitter, which tells you exactly how much your internal metals are shedding. You can't eliminate the residue, but by maximizing the purge, you ensure the new oil's chemistry remains uncompromised for the first 3,000 miles. Secret 10: Kaizen flow. To save an engine, you have to understand Kaizen flow, the limit of the oil film. Inside your engine, metal parts like bearings and journals should never touch. They are separated by a pressurized film of oil thinner than a human hair. As long as that film, the hydrodynamic wedge, stays stable, your engine is immortal. But that film is under constant attack. High heat thins it out, fuel dilution breaks it down. Most drivers think engines wear out on the highway. They don't. They wear out during unstable flow, the moments when that microscopic film collapses. If you understand Kaizen flow, you realize that an oil change isn't just a chore. It's a chemical reset to keep that invisible barrier strong enough to hold back tons of mechanical pressure. Secret 9: Rado start control. The most violent moment for any engine is the cold start. This is Rado start control. When you turn that key after the car has sat overnight, your oil is at its thickest and your oil galleries are empty. For those first few seconds, your engine is running on boundary lubrication, metal on metal. Japanese taxi drivers, who often run their cars 24/7, avoid this wear because their engines rarely get cold. For the rest of us, we must manage the Rado period. This is why using the correct viscosity, like a 0W20 instead of a 5W30 if specified, is life or death. The 0W ensures the oil reaches the top of the engine in 0.5 seconds instead of 2 seconds. Those 1.5 seconds of difference multiplied by 10,000 starts are the difference between a 100k mile engine and a 500k mile engine. Secret 8: Filter kodo. In Japan, the heartbeat or kodo of the lubrication system is the filter. Many American DIYers buy the cheapest filter on the shelf thinking they're all the same. They aren't. A Japanese spec filter, like an OEM Denso, isn't just a paper element. It contains a critical anti-drainback valve. This high-quality rubber seal keeps the oil from siphoning out of the engine's upper reaches when the car is off. Cheap filters use plastic valves that leak, meaning every morning your engine has to prime itself from scratch. If you want 600,000 miles, you use a filter that maintains the kodo, the constant presence of oil in the galleries. Secret 7. Gasket Seal Ritual. Most people ignore the rubber O-ring on the filter until it leaks. The gasket seal ritual is about preventing microleaks and pressure drops. A dry gasket can bunch up or chatter when you tighten it, creating an imperfect seal that allows air to be sucked into the system. The ritual is simple. Apply a thin layer of fresh oil to the gasket. This allows the filter to glide onto the mating surface, ensuring the torque you apply goes towards sealing the gasket, not fighting friction. It's a 5-second step that guarantees your oil pressure remains rock solid for the next 5,000 miles. Secret 6. Prefill Method. Whenever the filter is oriented vertically, Japanese masters use the prefill method. Why wait for the oil pump to fill a dry half-quart filter while your bearings are screaming for lubrication? By pre-filling the filter with fresh oil before installation, you provide instant oil pressure the moment the crankshaft turns. It eliminates that terrifying clatter you often hear after a standard oil change. If your filter sits sideways, fill it halfway and let the media soak it up. Every drop of pre-work saves 1,000 miles of wear. Secret 5. Tessa Refill. Tessa means hand-felt or measured. Most people dump in 5 quarts and walk away. The Japanese method is to fill 80%, let it settle for 3 minutes, and then dial in the final 20% with surgical precision. Oil takes time to crawl through the galleries and into the pan. If you overfill because you were impatient with the dipstick, you're heading for Secret 4, and it's a dangerous one. Secret 4. Overfill Avoidance. There is a dangerous myth that more oil is better. It is. If you overfill your crankcase, the spinning crankshaft will hit the surface of the oil like a giant blender. This causes aeration, turning your liquid oil into a frothy foam. Air cannot be compressed and air cannot lubricate bearings. When your oil foams, your oil pressure drops and your engine starts eating itself from the inside out. Stay exactly between the dots, never above. Secret 3. Interval Honesty. The 10,000-mile oil change is a marketing lie designed to lower the cost of ownership in brochures. Japanese reliability is built on interval honesty. If you drive in stop-and-go traffic, idle at lights, or live in a dusty climate, you are in severe service conditions. Under these real-world stresses, oil additives break down and fuel dilution sets in long before 10,000 miles. To hit 600,000 miles, you must be honest with your driving habits. For most, that means a 3,000 to 5,000 mile interval, no exceptions. Secret 2. Shaken Mindset. In Japan, the shaken inspection is a rigorous mandatory checkup that keeps cars in factory-fresh condition. It forces a preventative mindset. You don't change the oil because the light came on, you change it because you are the steward of a complex machine. The shaken mindset means looking for the beginning of a problem, a slightly dark oil color or a tiny drop in level, and acting immediately. In the US, we drive until it breaks. In Japan, they maintain so it can't break. Secret 1. Kaizen Discipline. This is the secret you write on your dashboard. Kaizen discipline isn't about doing one perfect oil change. It's the discipline to do all 12 of these steps every single time for 20 years. An engine doesn't reach 600,000 miles because of a lucky break. It reaches it because its owner refused to take a shortcut even once. Consistency is the ultimate performance enhancer. If you follow this discipline, you aren't just an owner, you're a mechanical guardian. If you've mastered your oil, you're only halfway there. Did you know the way you drive can actually clean or clog your fuel injectors every single day? Most drivers are losing 50% of their fuel economy to one simple mistake. Click the video on the screen right now to see the Japanese driving secrets that keep your fuel system pristine. See you there.